depicting the vibrant story of Jonah and the whale as a foreshadowing of Jesus. Show Jonah fleeing a storm at sea, then swallowed by a giant fish, symbolizing death. Inside the whale, depict Jonah praying, with a subtle light hinting at resurrection. Emphasize the sacrifice and hope. This conveys Bible verse Matthew 12 verse 40, "For as Jonah was 3 days and 3 nights in the belly of a huge fish, so the Son of Man will be 3 days and 3 nights in the heart of the earth." If Noah had a smartphone. A humorous story depicting Noah in his ark-building environment, but with a modern twist. Noah is holding up his smartphone, looking slightly exasperated or confused. The sky is overcast, hinting at the impending flood. The comedic demonstration of Bible quote, "The earth was corrupt in God's sight and was full of violence." Genesis 6 verse 11. The Tower of Babel, drone shots capture the frenetic activity on a towering ziggurat, teeming with builders. Suddenly, a divine light beam strikes, shattering the structure into scattered puzzle pieces. The fire transforms into diverse language symbols, spreading across maps showcasing color-coded language groups. The story contrasts humanity's prideful ambition with God's ultimate design. The story demonstrates the Genesis 11 verse 9 rises from the rubble, which is an epic cautionary tale told on a global scale representing Mosaic diversity. Bible verses to get you motivated. The Bible says, "I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me." Philippians 4 verse 13. This story informs us Christian faith and encouragement leads to success, achieving goals, and overcoming obstacles. This inspires the feeling of being unstuck and empowered by faith. A short prayer for strength and guidance inspired by quote saying, "The Lord is my strength and my shield, my heart trusts in him, and he helps me." Psalm 28 verse 7. This evokes feelings of peace, hope, and faith representing guidance, strength, and trust in God, reflecting a moment of prayer and seeking divine assistance, conveying a sense of tranquility and spiritual connection.